Hi, I'm Amanda Pasciucco, and by the end of this video, I'm going to explain Sensate Focus Therapy to you. Stay tuned until the end of the video because we will give you steps on how to get the Pleasure Practice e-guide even if you've never done Tantra before. So Sensate Focus Therapy is a type of therapy that was invented for couples who are struggling with being stuck sexually. There's often a barrier and they cannot start engaging with one another. One of them might have pain, one might not trust the other. There is some type of dysfunction that is blocking the couple from getting to orgasm, getting to penetrative sex that's working. So Sensate Focus comes in and it interrupts that pattern. What happens with Sensate Focus is that you often go through with an AASECT certified sex therapist or someone who is trained on how to go through week 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is a buildup. It isn't you just jump right into penetration. Penetration is taken off the table so that you learn to engage the whole nervous system of your partner, the skin, what parts are off boundaries, what parts do you need to be communicating better. So if you're interested in Sensate Focus Therapy, please see someone who has taken at least a course in how to do Sensate Focus work. Make sure that someone that you're going to see is trained in some way to know and provide that service to you. Also, if you're going to do Sensate Focus on your own, please consider that this is often something that is done with an expert helping the couple. So part of the process is the trust that builds between the couple and another practitioner. If you have any questions about Sensate Focus and if it would work for you, please comment below. Scroll down and you will see in the description below the link to get the Pleasure Practice e-guide. Thanks for watching. I answer your questions and this is one of my client questions that I just wanted to answer. I release a new video Wednesdays, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you liked it.